good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well, and if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to add a card on your board on Trello if you guys don't already know. So to add a card, it's really simple, and I'm going to teach you right now how you can do that in a really simple process. So at first, you must go into Trello. As you can see, I'm already inside Trello via my browser. You can use any browser to use Trello. I've already taught you how to use or get inside Trello account. So if you guys don't know that, please do check out our video on that, which will be listed right down in the description box below. So after you're inside Trello, you need to go into the board that you are searching for inside the workplace that you have created. So this is the board I want to go on. So here is the board. You go inside the board, and here is all the cards that is already existed, or these are the list and these are the cards. So to add a card or to add another one, you just write whatever you like. So you click enter. You can write as many cards as you'd like. So after you have done writing, you go here. You can even add to another one, and you can add to another one as well. So if you are not clicked enter and you click on this, the card that you have just wrote will be transferred to the another one. So you can even add another list, whatever you name it. You click on this, and you can even add a card on the link or on the list that you have just created. So you can write anything here, and if you want to edit the thing that you have wrote, or if it's mistake, you just click on this pen button and you can edit labels, change covers, change members, anything by just that one single pen button. So I'm gonna write that. You click enter or save, and now you're done. So I believe I've taught you guys how to add a card on Workspace or on Trello. And if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.